Today we're live from Kochi, Kerala.
Hi friends, good afternoon. I'm Pallavi Samant Desai, founder of Pencraft. As you all know that our lockdown is going on and very few days have left, so we are teaching you one more innovative art form, that is gift wrapping. You all must be knowing when we say gift wrapping, for that we need these kind of gift wrapping papers. These are the shiny ones and this is matte. These are the ready-made bows. But today we are not going to use these kind of papers or these bows for our gift wrapping. What we are going to do is we are going to use newspapers. Yes, you heard me right. We will be using our newspapers. Newspaper gift wrapping is very innovative and it looks very decent. So you all must be having these kind of old newspapers at your home. So I will show you how to do it today. So be ready. The material required is scissors, scale, paper cutter, pencil, two-way tape if you have. If you don't have, no issues. Normal sticking tape and glue, and of course a book. So today I will be showing you gift wrapping on this book. So what I will do first is I will take a newspaper, which is of my book size. So for this size book I'll need at least one page of newspaper. So let's cut it first. When you are doing gift wrapping or craft, you have to be very particular about the sizes. We need very sharp cuttings. So let's do it. Paper cutter, and I'll start cutting this newspaper. Be careful if you are teaching this to your kids. I have taken my cutting mat as I don't want to damage my dining table. If you don't have this kind of cutting board, then no issues. You can always use glass. Yes, you heard me right. Glass you can use. So what I have done is I have taken the horizontal center for this book, and first I'll just check whether the sizes are perfect or not. Otherwise I will cut my newspaper vertically. I think I don't need this much length, so I will reduce the length. So let's see. Yes, this is the right size for this book. Yes, so what I'll do first is horizontally I will take this down. There is no specific measurement for this, and I will take a crease and so I want these two parallel slants. I will repeat the same thing from opposite side. Yes. So you can see these two lines are parallel, and here I have taken a different pattern. Now I will use my two-way tape to stick this. If you don't have two-way tape, no worries. I will show you another option also for that. What you can do is take your sticking tape, just turn it and use it as a two-way tape, and this is done. Now what I'll do is I will cover this side. So here also I need a two-way tape, and this tape is totally transparent. Give enough pressure so you can remove the upper portion very easily. It's done, and just turn this. Wow, and this is done. Just so now I have two books with me. As you can see, it is not compulsory that you need two books. I just want to show you the combination or composition, how I'm going to present it. See, you can see here what I have done is I have taken alternate flaps. First from right hand side, second from left hand side, third from right hand side, and fourth from left hand side. And here what I have done is, I have taken first two flaps from right hand side and last two flaps from left hand side. So it is totally up to you how you want to present it. Okay, so let's start decorating it. I will keep these books aside. I'll keep it here and I will start with the flowers part. So we will be making few flowers like this. See how beautiful they are. Look at this intricate work. I'll show you one more flower. As you can see, this is a 4-line notebook. This is a page from 4-line notebook, and this is a regular newspaper. I have used a brown newspaper. You can use multicolor, plain, whichever you want, but I want to maintain the contrast. So for that, what we need is square newspapers, okay, of different sizes. If you want to make the flower of same size, then you can take squares of same sizes. So let's start. First I will take a big size newspaper, square newspaper. I will show you how to make it square. I am just showing you. I am not going to cut this because I want to save our time. So this is the newspaper. So if you want a square, then just fold it diagonally. Match these two lines. Give sufficient pressure, and then you have to cut this excess paper. Okay, so let's start with our flowers. So this is the biggest size which I am going to use today. So I am folding it. This is a triangle. Make one more fold. Please take very sharp cuts and sharp folds. Give sufficient pressure so it will be easy for you to cut these flowers. And from this side, one more fold. Don't worry, I am going to show you this process one more time, or if you don't understand it immediately, no need to worry. You can watch this same live video on our Facebook page as per your convenience. So what I am doing is, I am drawing a flower petal I am drawing. Okay, so you don't have to draw it several times. Just make a semicircle. Can you see? So this is the semicircle. From this side you have to make. Okay, and now I am going to cut it. Hold it tightly. Please take care of your fingers. Okay, and give slits from the open side. Try to make very close slits or cuts so your flower will look very intricate once it is done. So we are going to make different flowers, and we will use those flowers on our book as a part of decoration. Believe me friends, you just cannot imagine how beautiful it is going to look. आप ये जो कॉस्टली गिफ्ट रैपिंग पेपर्स और एम्बलिशमेंट्स लेते हो उससे कई गुना ब्यूटीफुल ये दिखने वाला है, ट्रस्ट मी. सो आई विल ओपन दिस फॉर यू so you can see what we have made. This is very delicate, so be careful while opening, क्योंकि हमने इसको इतने सारे स्लिट्स दिए हैं. सो आप अगर इसको ज़ोर से खोलोगे या जल्दबाजी में खोलोगे सो शायद फट जाए. And there is a beautiful flower. Oh wow. यहाँ पे इतनी तेज हवा है सो मेरा फ्लावर सी wow. So I'm keeping this aside and we will make 2 more flowers with same way. So आप फिर से एक बार प्रोसेस देख सको. फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल, तो ऐसे हम काफ़ी सारे फ्लावर्स बनाएंगे और हमारे बुक पे पेस्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज सेकेंड फोल्ड. अच्छे से क्रीज पे प्रेशर दीजिए. थर्ड फोल्ड. Please match all the points so there will be a symmetry in your each and every petal. And fourth fold. And now what you have to do is, I'm showing this to you from your angle so it will be easy for you to understand. ओके, सो ये पेटल शेप आपको करना है. So I will cut this. If you are confident enough then you can cut it directly also. I am showing this to you क्योंकि आपको पता चले. And इसको again हम slits देंगे. Be very careful when you are giving slits. So my one more flower is ready. Even if you want the gift tags, you can make them at home. It's very easy. If you have zigzag scissors, then cut out the rectangle. Use those zigzag scissors at the edges. See, this way we are going to do it. In between these two petals, I'm going to paste one petal. Okay, I'll show you one more shape. Method is same. First triangle, second triangle, and third triangle. If you want less petals, then what you can do is, you don't need to fold it one more time. Up directly यहाँ से कट कर लीजिए. सो बीच बीच में आप ऐसे वाले भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और दो यूज़ करके. सो नाउ आई विल शो यू डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ flowers. I have already cut this. So इसको मैं सिर्फ स्लिट्स दे दूंगी. न्यूज़पेपर्स तो हम हर किसी के घर पे होते हैं. ओके, एंड इट इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर द लॉकडाउन पीरियड. उसके बाद भी यू कैन गिव सच काइंड ऑफ means you can make such kind of gift wrappings. They really look very elegant, very unique. People will really remember you. ये काफ़ी बड़ा है, ये मैंने इसके लिए नहीं किया है, just to show you. If required, we will use this. Next, I'm going to show you different kind of flower. मैंने वाइट अपना प्रिंटर का पेपर यूज़ किया है. This is the thickness and this is the extra portion for pasting. So draw this and I will cut these plain portion. You can always save your time. इसको 4 times आप फोल्ड कर लीजिए. सो यू कैन सी कहाँ तक आपको कट करना है. टिल हियर यू हैव टू कट. ओपन इट। यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा ब्रॉड पट्टा मिलेगा। You have to cut this also. And what I'll do is I'll just turn this. I'll make a flower out of it. It is very simple, but it looks very beautiful. Glue. You can use any glue whichever you have at home. See, be careful. You can give any kind of shape. To these flowers. If you have zigzag scissors at your home, then you can use those zigzag scissors. एजेस पे यूज़ कर लीजिए। स्निपिंग इज़ अ स्ट्रेस बस्टर थिंग। स्निपिंग करना सबको अच्छा लगता है, बड़े हो बच्चे हो। इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। So again we will put little bit of glue here. And start turning it. This is a baby flower. And I will show you easy quilling also. Just take one strip, thin strip. There is no specific measurement for that. It's as per your choice. और इसे टर्न कर लीजिए। क्विलिंग टूल्स भी आते हैं, बट आई एम शोइंग यू ऑल दीज ऑप्शंस बिकॉज इफ़ यू डोंट हैव क्विलिंग टूल एट योर होम, सो ऐसा ना हो कि आप कोई चीज़ बना ना पाए. It is very easy. Put little bit of glue at the edges, ends basically, not edges, and this is done. Without quilling tool. So let's start decorating. I will take my bigger book. Let's see what kind of composition we can do. See, this is the same quilling like this. So let's see what kind of composition we can make here. Even we will make leaves. I hope friends you will like it. It is going to look very beautiful, trust me. So we will paste these flowers which we made earlier. Take your first flower, use glue, paste your next flower इन दोनों के बीच में. ये again put your glue, again in between these flowers, and this is my 4 lines notebook flower. The method is same, there is no different method for this, only the different shape I have used. And one more flower I will paste on it. बी केयरफुल, ये काफ़ी डेलिकेट चीज़ है, सो यू कैन नॉट डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन हरी. You have to open each and every petal very carefully. Oh God. Uh-oh. I'll keep these things little aside till I open this flower. Wow. see the design. So let's start pasting it. First, I will paste these two flowers to this book with my two-way tape. Give enough pressure. This is good. I hope so. So this is my first flower which I am using here. Okay, and this is the flower I will be using here. I'll give little bit 3D look by pressing it here. Again, I will be taking the two-way tape. I'll turn this flower. Paste my two-way tape on it. If you find it difficult, you can use your paper cutter or any sharp thing to remove the tape layer, because it is extremely thin. See, this is very thin. So I pasted my third flower over here. Let's decide how to cover this. I'll use it here. I'll press my next flower. Again, take out the two-way tape. Take out the layer and paste your flower. I will show you from your direction, don't worry at all. And I will be pasting my fifth flower. I'll paste it here. Wow. Now I will use my last flower and my quilling portion, and one more time I'm taking out the two-way tape and I will be sticking it here. Just feel it out. Wow. And my last flower. So the only thing remaining is now I have to stick this book to my main book, otherwise it will fall down when you will pick it up. So I need more two-way tape. So what I'll do is I will not use this white tape, otherwise it will become difficult for me to use it. I will use my normal tape and I will turn it. See, so I'm using it from this side, if you can see. So friends, now I am going to show you the final artwork from your angle. Ta-da! So if you want to gift this kind of gift wrapping to any of your friends, then just think how beautiful it will look, isn't it? See, मुझे अगर कोई ऐसे गिफ्ट दे तो मुझे खोलने के लिए मन ना करे. So enjoy your lockdown. So please enjoy your lockdown. Try to use different surfaces, different things. Be creative and stay tuned with Pencraft. If you have any queries or if you want to do the teachers training of various courses of Pencraft, then please call us on 91360 24248. I will repeat the number one more time. 91360 24248. So you can take the teachers training from Pencraft and start your own classes from your home as per your comfort. So bye for now. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.